closing is always at its best. And the rope. Early lead is taken by Mr. Environment by the rail. On the outside is Meadow Lad. Yes, Joey Muscovado and Dr. Choice. And as they leave the straight, it's Mr. Environment in the lead, followed by Meadow Lad on the outside in second. And yes, Joey running in third on the farther outside, Muscovado and Dr. Choice. Into the backstretch, it is still the same order with Mr. Environment leading the field by Alain Caneha, followed by Meadow Lad on the outside in second. And here comes, yes, Joey closing in third, Muscovado and Dr. Choice. But it's still Mr. Environment in the lead, followed by, yes, Joey moving up on the inside, Meadow Lad on the outside. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Mr. Environment by Alain Caneha, followed by, yes, Joey by the rail, Meadow Lad on the outside, Dr. Choice and Muscovado. Rounding the far turn, it is still Mr. Environment by Alain Caneha, followed by, yes, Joey by the rail, and Meadow Lad on the outside, Dr. Choice and Muscovado. Mr. Environment by Alain Caneha on the outside in second, and by the rail in third, yes, Joey. The last bend for home, it is still Mr. Environment and Mr. Environment moving up on the inside. On the outside is Meadow Lad and yes, Joey. And at the top of the stretch, Mr. Environment and Meadow Lad on the outside. Yes, Joey moving up on the inside. It's yes, Joey by the rail. It's yes, Joey followed by Meadow Lad on the outside and Mr. Environment. But it's still yes, Joey by the rail. On the outside is Meadow Lad. And finally at the payoff line, yes, Joey, Meadow Lad, Mr. Environment, Muscovado, and Dr. Choice.